Lisa Angharad.
Get fan in. Come on down.
Yay.
When you're ready. Any minute now.
Hiya.
Hiya.
Ti'n iawn?
Iawn, diolch.
Croeso i hwb. Hiya.
Croeso i hwb. Hey.
Diolch. O,
You
dwy
smell now.
dwy.
Well, I've changed. I've gone all London on you, I'm sorry. Ti'n iawn, croeso i hwb?
Diolch. Diolch.
Nawr, roi ti'n wedi cyflwyno perffaith hapus.
Do.
Nawr, beth sy'n neud ti'n hapus?
Bwyd.
Bwyd.
Bwyd
Ie,
hapus.
caws da.
Caws cheese.
Ie.
Pa fath o gaws, Matt?
Caws, beth?
Caerffili.
Caerffili. Ti'n licio caws Caerffili?
Na. Bach yn sir.
Get out.
Oh. Oh, gosh.
Mae Matt yn dod o Caerffili, wrth gwrs.
Wyt ti'n lygo fe?
Yeah.
Oh,
Of
na.
course, of
Fi'n lygo
course.
caws glas.
Pwy sy'n neud ti'n hapus?
Snwff, cifi.
Beth yw snuff? Snuff kiwi?
Enw y ci.
Jack
O,
Russell.
yn y ci, Jack Russell,
Mae'n
nice.
really cute. Mae fe y ci perta yn y byd.
Faint ydi oedd?
Naw. Ond mae'n edrych fel puppy, ddo.
O,
ie.
cute. Mor
Really
cute.
bert.
Beth neu pwy sy'n neud i ti chwerthin? Beth sy'n neud i bwy ti neud chwerthin?
Ffrind gorfi Beth, mae hi'n ddoniol.
Yeah.
Ricky Gervais, mae fe'n ei fi chwerthin. Alan Carr,
Ricky Gervais yn hilarious.
mae fe'n hilarious,
Yeah.
dwi e.
I want to ask now, what is her favourite joke?
Wel,
Oh.
nawr
Can I ask?
beth ydi?
Keep it clean. Dydd Sul.
Beth ydi?
Beth ydi
Dy hoff.
dy hoff
Joke.
joke?
Mae'n hoff joke i, sa'n gallu gweud hwnna. Achos achos mae'n di Sul, na weithio chi wedyn. Ond na, beth oedd y caws,
Cheese.
ddweud wrth ei hunan pan nath e weld ei hunan yn y drych, mirror.
Yeah,
What
okay.
did the cheese say to himself when he saw himself in the
What did he
mirror?
say?
Halloumi!
That's a good one.
It's not as good as the other one.
No, it's all right. It's
If
okay.
only.
It's a good one. But the ruder ones are the better ones.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
are, aren't they? But
I'll
it's a
tell
dydd
you
Sul.
later.
People have just had their lunch.
Yeah, dydd Sul. Mae
Okay.
hi'n dydd Sul.
So, ddo am ddeg, sioe comedi. Wyt ti'n mwynhau gweithio ar y gyfres yna?
Really mwynhau gweithio na fe. Mae pawb yn lyflu. Fi newydd recordio'r gyfres nesa. Maen nhw jyst mor hawdd i weithio da. Ti'n cael real laugh yn amlwg os mae sioe gomedi yw e. So ydw, really mwynhau e.
Yeah, ond merch yn gwneud comedi, ydy yn anodd?
Dim fi sy'n fod yn neud y comedi, really. Fi'n credu bod fi dim ond i cael y swydd achos bod gwyneb expressive da fi. So, ti'n gallu cael y shot o fi fel...
Yn gwneud stiliau, yn gwneud
Achos
stiliau
mae llygad fi'n fawr, ie.
You said then that you do funny faces. Could you give us some examples? Down to this camera lens,
Yeah.
please. And camera 3, right there.
Okay.
Can you give me gwyneb hapus, ysgwelwch yn dda?
Hapus, ond hwnna'n un hawdd.
Disgusting. Can you do this disgusting
Gwyneb
face?
eich fi.
Gwyneb eich fi. That's a good face. Perffaith. Ti'n dda?
Perffaith.
High five.
Diolch.
Ti'n hapus gyda hwnna?
Ydw, hapus yn hadw.
Wel, dwi am newid bethau nawr yn llwyr. Sut brofiad oedd
brofiad?
canu ar Llais i Gymru?
O, gwych. Allai'n gweud gair all y blawn gwych. Gys i gymryd y brofiadau da. Dim byd negyddol ond o fe, really. Oedd e'n brofiad gwych. Gys i profiadau gwahanol. O'n i'n canu cyn game rygbi. O'n i'n canu yn Under the Bridge yn Chelsea. O flan pobl mwy ar diwydiant. Oedd yn brofiad gwych.
Gwych.
We have some quick fire questions for you. I like quick
Great.
fire.
Quiz Gwenyn Geirfa. Iwan ta, beth sy'n rhaid ti'n neud ydy cyfieithu cymaint o eiriau a sy'n bosib
Okay.
o'r Saesneg i'r Gymraeg mewn 20 eiliad.
Reit.
Okay, ydyn
Okay.
ni'n barod?
Na, ti
Sbectol?
ddim yn barod.
Na, dwi ddim. Rhaid i fi gael fy sbectol. Iawn te.
Right there. 1, 2, 3. Connie off. Competition.
Cystadleuaeth.
Silence.
Tywelwch.
Enthusiasm.
Brwdfrydedd.
West.
Gorllewin.
Purple.
Piws.
Machine.
Peiriant.
Sunset.
Machlyd hael.
Seeds.
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 Hadau.
Writing.
Sgwennu.
Experience.
Profiad.
Winner.
Winner.
Enillydd.
Oh,
And everyone's a winner. Da
I'm sure we've done.
iawn.
We've done. Do you want to call the bee out? Should we
Oh,
call
yeah,
the bee
come
out
on,
with
eh.
the scores?
Owen and
Owen and then. Oh, mae'n esyn thrilled Owen and
Get
then.
everything
Do
going,
it.
yeah. What am I going to
Wrth i
draw on
fod.
his face today?
Nawr te.
Right, no, te.
Okay,
Okay.
gallu di weld ys...
Right then, Gary Slaymaker and a dop. But first off, I got to draw some whiskers on it.
There we go.
Ma'n neud hynny bob tro.
Right there. Okay, my results. And in. David fan hyn. Lisa there. There, Gary.
Tensiwn.
There we go. Lisa. Da iawn, Lisa.
O, diolch.
Ar y dop. Ar y dop. Da iawn ti. Da iawn.
Iawn.
Do you like his
Hooray.
face? His face is great today, isn't it?
Fi'n cael bod
Some
eir
sort of
off o fe.
cat thing.
Wel,
I
dyna
like
ni.
it. Da iawn, Lisa. Da iawn indeed.
Da
Now, you can go now. Diolch yn fawr.
Wel, da Da iawn.
Perfect, da iawn, Lisa.
Gosh, is that a bit?
Do we have now a geiriau croes?
We do.
Today, we do.
Nesa, y geiriau croes ydy, the opposite words yr wythnos yma ydy agor a
Open.
cau.
Cau, close.
Exactly.
Open and close.
Agor a cau.
And more importantly, do we have Wyn Evans in some sort of tool shed or whatever he is?
It's a prop shed.
Is it a prop shed? Is it
We
okay?
do
It's a prop
indeed.
shed. Wyn, over to you.